Everyone, I am As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will discuss about the mechanism of photosynthesis. What is the main thing in the photosynthesis? If we discuss it as a biochemical reaction student, then it is a oxidation reduction process. Means in this oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. And student, in this reaction, oxygen and carbohydrate are formed. Means what is the main products are formed in this oxygen and carbohydrate. And with this small amount of water is also released. In the ancient concept, what we read in our junior class, that only carbohydrate and the oxygen is produced. But with this student, water is also released in this process. Now, in this student, carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized here. That's why this reaction can be considered as redox reaction student. Like this is the biochemical reaction that is involved in this student. CO2 and H2O, they are reacting with each other, and what are they forming? They are forming carbohydrate, and with this oxygen is released, and with the oxygen there is water is also released. So this chemical reaction you will learn. Now this oxidation and the reduction involve the two reactions student. Means photosynthesis process takes place with the help of the two reactions, and these reactions were given by the modern scientists. Like the light reaction, this light reaction means the photochemical reaction was taken by a great scientist, and the name of that scientist was Hill. Hill gave the light reaction, and biosynthetic reaction or the dark reaction was given by Blackman. Blackman gave the dark reaction. So with the help of the name Blackman, you can learn the dark reaction. Blackman gave the dark reaction, Hill gave the light reaction. Light reaction is also known as photochemical reaction, because this reaction takes place in the presence of light student, and biosynthetic reaction takes place in the dark. That's why this reaction is known as dark reaction. This reaction, by the name of the scientist, this reaction is also known as Hill reaction, and this reaction is also known as Blackman reaction. Now student, we will discuss the site where does this reaction takes place. This photochemical reaction takes place inside the grana. Grana means the parallel thylakoids, parallel vesicles are found in the stoma, and those are known as grana, and inside the grana the light reaction takes place, and this dark reaction takes place inside the stoma. And in the light reaction student, what is produced? That is ATP and NADPH. Means adenosine triphosphate is produced due to the light reaction, and with this the NADPH is also produced. Now that ATP and NADPH is converted into carbohydrate with the help of dark reaction. So now we will discuss about the light reaction and dark reaction in detail. So student, photosynthesis includes the two important reactions. First is light reaction, second is dark reaction. Light reaction was given by Hill and dark reaction was given by Blackman. So with the help of this dark, you can learn the name Blackman. Blackman gave the dark reaction. So student, light reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight, and it takes place inside the grana of chloroplast. And this dark reaction takes place inside the stroma of the chloroplast. Means it takes place inside the stroma, means the fluid that is found inside the chloroplast, in that this reaction take place. So in this, student, in the light reaction, light energy is absorbed in it, and that light energy converts the solar energy into chemical energy. And in this, one important process is involved that is known as photophosphorylation, student. Photophosphorylation. And with the help of that, ATP is produced. ATP is produced. But in this, the energy obtained by the light reaction, means the reaction that takes place by the light, and in this the ATP is produced. With the help of that ATP reacts with the carbon dioxide by using the carbon dioxide. That ATP is produced carbohydrate. Means carbohydrate is produced or formed with the help of dark reaction. First, the simple sugar is produced, and that simple sugar is converted into starch, student. Now we come on the next. In this, the photolysis of water takes place. Means the water is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen gas is released here. But in this, hydrogen is used in the reduction of carbon dioxide, from which carbohydrate is produced, student. Next is, in this, oxygen is released, and in the dark reaction, carbon dioxide is used. With this, student, in this light reaction, there are the two system works: pigment system 1, pigment system 2. But in this, there is no pigment system is required, because this reaction takes place inside the dark. That's why there is no trapping of the sunlight. So pigment system is not required in this. So about this pigment system we will discuss in our next class. So thank you very much and have a nice day.